Come on now, come on. All right, now I know you all know what cars are. So today I got you an expert on car safety. So please give a big, warm Allentown Elementary welcome to Miss Sally Seatbelt.
Thank you, Principal Weber. My name is Sally Seatbelt. That's seatbelts with a Z. 2 Z's, one in the front, one in the trunk. These are cool. You know what else is cool? Wearing your seatbelt. I should know. I've been the getaway driver for over 200 bank heists. Putting your foot on a chair. That's cool. Rolling around like a chicken cutlet in a blender because you forgot to wear your seatbelt. That's not cool!
Please, you're trying to...
Whoa, Weber, do not sneak up on me like that. Last guy that did that, I left at the altar.
Miss Seatbelts.
No, that's what choosies.
Miss Seatbelts. I don't know if you know...
Okay, I know what you're going to say. A female getaway driver. Ha! Do you know how hard it is to be a woman in the banking industry?
Okay, that's not... That's not the banking industry.
Okay, that was a rhetorical question, but go ahead, explain my job to me.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Normally I wouldn't do this, but we already paid for the hour, so please just stick to basic safety tips.
Okay, here's a basic safety tip. You'll always feel safe if you're not afraid of dying.
Cigarettes are not allowed.
Ah!
Cigarettes are not allowed.
That didn't hurt. Anyway, kids, whether you're hitting up the salon with your mom or hitting the Wells Fargo that had it coming, there are three basic safety tips you all need to know. To make it easier, I made a PowerPoint for you guys. Oh, but then I remembered PowerPoint is for pussies. So.
Okay, turn that off. Next slide.
All right, but seriously, tip number 1, vodka. Always have it in the car.
Okay, no, put an end to this. Okay, kids, do not listen to anything
Tip number
she
2,
said.
if your partner sustains a neck injury, just hold it like this, apply a little pressure. Yeah. Shh. Questions? Yeah.
How many wheels does your car have?
4.
What? I told you guys.
What's the coolest way to sit on a chair?
Backwards. Yeah, I got my car seat custom made like this.
My daddy is a police officer and said that the people who rob the banks are the bad guys.
Okay, yeah. Your dad's a liar, so run away and never talk to him again. Alright, kids, who wants ice cream?
Ooh, yeah.
Great, get out your money and put it in this sack, please. And I'll go out and get you some. Uh-huh. You want vanilla? Yeah. And use some sprinkles? Okay. Suckers.
Okay, this is really fire.